Hi everyone, welcome back to another of our use case tutorials. This time we want to give a shout out and a big thank you to Mohandas for sending this idea along. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, hopefully I said it right. In this tutorial we're going to be learning how to automate special calendar date videos. So it's going to be really useful if you have special dates in your calendar and you just want to make a little video, or for someone's birthday you want to wish someone happy birthday. Just make sure it's in your calendar and a video will be automatically generated. So you can either send it to them, post it on social media, anything you can really think of. So for this tutorial we're going to be using Google Calendar, Zapier and Woxo. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy content like this, and if you have cool ideas, let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to share them with you all later on. So let's get started. So let's start with our first step, which is going to be setting up the trigger. In this case, we're gonna go ahead and go to choose app and event, choose Google Calendar, and then for the trigger event, we're gonna put event start. You're gonna click on continue, choose your account, and then move on to set up trigger. Here, you just need to make sure you choose the correct calendar you wanna get your information from. Then we're gonna go ahead and test our trigger, and it should look like this. So for this one, we created an event in our calendar, and in the description we put Peter Smith, because in this case, as I mentioned before, we're gonna be making a birthday video and it's for Peter Smith. So we're gonna continue with our steps, and then we're gonna move on to custom request. You're gonna choose Webhooks by Zapier, and under action event you're gonna go ahead and choose custom request, click on continue, and move on to setup action. So for this one, you're just gonna make sure you follow this format for the method, the URL, and the data pass. I guess this would be the more complicated part, as you would have to do this one by one. We are using our smart media option, so I just said birthday and then just simply went one by one, putting the title, the text, and then just make sure you write the theme, the token, and the content type. The content type would always be application JSON. Of course, don't forget to test the action, and once it looks like this, you'll be ready to go and move forward to the next step, which is delay 4. Here you just need to say delay by Zapier, and for the action event delay 4, and as here it's really up to you. You're gonna test your action and continue. To the fun part and last step, we're gonna go ahead and choose Webhooks by Zapier, and under action event choose get, click on continue, and move forward to setup action. Here in the URL you just need to copy and paste the one we used before, with the only difference that instead of ending in generate, we finish the URL with the success code. How do we choose the success code? Really simple. Go to custom request and just click on success code. Then we just follow this format and just make sure you add the theme and the token. Once again, if you don't know where to find this, don't worry, because the information you need is in our tutorial in the description below. And we are gonna go and test action. I already tested this beforehand. So these are the steps you would need to follow if you wanted to generate a video. But in this case, we're gonna share it to Slack. So first, we're gonna connect it to Slack, and then for the action event, we're gonna choose send private channel message. Once we click on continue, you're gonna choose your account and go to setup action. In setup action, you just need to make sure you choose the correct channel in which you want to be sharing your video in, and then you just need to customize this as you wish, and make sure for the attached image by URL you can add the data thumbnail here, and then you can easily add all these just by going to get and then just choosing the one you want, and then just make sure you go one by one. And as soon as you test action, you should be able to see the message in Slack. And since we shared it to our marketing channel, it's right here. So here you can see the data landing link, and you're gonna click on it to see the video. And that's all for today. I hope you guys found this tutorial really helpful and that it was easy to follow. But don't worry, because if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Our support chat is available to you every day of the week. Let us know if you have any other ideas. If you have feedback, you know we always welcome feedback, good, bad, anything really. I'll see you next time. Bye. Help you in any way that we can. So make sure you oops, that was my dog. But yeah, make sure you